Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. I have a little Kindle Fire tablet and I want to make a stand for it. I dug out a piece of oak but it's cupped, so I'm just going to plane one side and then thickness it to get it all parallel and nice to use. I always try and avoid measuring if I can just use the thing to line something up to. So I put my tablet on the table saw and move the fence up against it. Now I can rip that bit of oak down to the width of the tablet. With that done, I'm going to use the tablet again as a template and mark out how long this needs to be. I can then take it over to the miter saw and cut it to length. I want to cut grooves in this piece of oak for the tablet to sit in, so I'm swapping out my flat tooth grooving blade. Then I'm going to tilt the angle of the blade to roughly 10 degrees. I lower the blade down to it sticking up about 10mm. Then I can get the bit of oak and move the fence over until I've got it lined up where I roughly want the groove to go. When I'm happy with the position, I can make the first cut. With that cut made, the tablet won't fit in the groove, so I knock the fence over a little bit and then make a second cut. The tablet now slides in nicely, and this works great for landscape orientation, and of course you could just flip it around and put it in portrait, but I'm going to cut a second slot. This time using the miter gauge and then moving the piece over again and cutting a second slot through. Even though this is a flat tooth blade, because it's on an angle, it's left a slight ridge in between the cuts, so I get a chisel nice and sharp with a strop and then I can try and clean up this groove. The chisel gets most of the marks out, and then I just wrap a sanding disc around a scrap of wood that fits perfectly in the slot, and then I can do some sanding. When I've got the slots nicely sanded, I can then get the random orbital sander set up and give the rest of it all sand. To finish, I'm just going to apply a coat of Danish oil and leave it to dry. When the oil's dried, I attach some stick-on felt feet to every corner. And that's it done really. A block of wood with 2 slots cut in it. Pretty simple. And it can be easily scaled up and down for phones or bigger tablets. And the directions you want the grooves in can be changed. So thanks for watching. Thanks to my Patreons, and please subscribe for more videos.